The wind is howling, the sky looks ominous, sirens are wailing, and the TV's broadcasting a threat of severe weather. It's time to seek shelter to keep you and your family safe. What it's not time for is worrying if your insurance company is going to cover the upcoming damage to your home. Understanding your policy ahead of time can give you peace of mind as the dust settles from the storm. Realizing you're not covered after the fact will add insult to injury and leave you picking up the check as well as the pieces. Hi, I'm Chris with Rescue My Roof, and in this 3-part video about homeowners insurance, we'll explain some of the key items in your policy, what to look for, and what to do if you find your coverage is lacking, as well as talk about some insurance tactics and the process of filing a claim. Homeowner insurance policies can be long and cumbersome. Each policy varies a little depending on what insurance company you use. Policies vary in length from about 20 pages long to 50 pages. But they all have some basics to look for. First, they'll start with several generic pages that detail the legalities of your policy. They're generally outlining overall details of the policy, but not necessarily the specifics of coverage. The other portions of the policy will be the declaration page and the endorsements and amendments pages. Peril. Peril is defined as serious or immediate danger, or exposure to the risk of being injured, destroyed, or lost. In the insurance world, perils define coverages for certain events, such as lightning strikes, fire, theft, vandalism, or wind and hail damage. There are two main types of policies: open perils and named perils. Open perils. Open perils give blanket protection for everything. Each does not have to be listed separately. All are covered from burst pipes to fire. But even with an open peril, there can be exclusions to coverages. These exclusions will be listed most likely on your declaration page or in the endorsements and amendment pages. If you have an open peril or blanket policy, be sure you know what exclusions may be in your policy, like exclusions for flood damage. Named perils. Named peril coverage means that you only have coverage for those perils or events listed in your policy. Quite simply, if it's not stated that you have coverage, you don't. These should also be listed on your declaration page or in the endorsements and amendments pages. Know what you are covered for and if you need to add any specific coverages. Declarations page. The declarations page is probably the most important part of your policy. It details coverages, deductibles, and exclusions. However, even if the items are stated on the declaration page, they can be overridden by amendments. Make sure the items on this page are right for your situation and that you fully understand your coverage. Endorsements and amendments. The endorsement and amendments pages cover any additions or changes to your policy. Endorsements typically are additions to the policy, such as adding jewelry or an outbuilding to the policy. These are sometimes referred to as riders or additional insured. Amendments are changes to the policy, such as additions or subtraction to covered perils or changes in deductibles. It's very important that you understand all of the amendments to your policy, especially after renewal, to make sure that nothing has changed and you have all the coverage you need. Believe it or not, most adjusters that come out to investigate or evaluate a claim are not out to deny your claim. They're simply collecting the information. If there is damage covered by your policy, the claim's processed quickly. If your policy does not cover the damage, it's out of the adjuster's hand and is denied. So knowing what is covered goes a long way. So comb over your policy and know what's covered. If you have questions on your policy, contact your insurance agent or broker. They should be able to go over your policy to ensure you have everything you need. There you have it, some of the basics of an insurance policy. In the next video, we'll dive a little deeper into deductibles and coverages. Make sure you check it out. And for more great information on a wide variety of topics, check out our Learning Center or our YouTube channel. And remember, don't have a good day, have a great day.